This is lesson 8. We are going to talk about the sounds that A makes when it's with an L, A-L, all, or W-A, wah, ah, or A-R, R. First, we'll review our last lesson, the review of U. Short U sounds like in up, duck, under, tub, mutt, Long U sounds like tube, glue, use, fuse. The spelling patterns for long U are UE, like true, blue, do. Sounds like ooh. Another spelling pattern, consonant vowel, consonant silent E, dude, prune, rule, tube. Sounds like ooh. Or UI, fruit, suit, juice. And the other is consonant vowel consonant where it sounds like you, use, fuse. Let's talk about the A sound can be different with an L following it, like all, fall, call, ball, wall, tall, talk, walk. In talk and walk, the L is silent. We don't hear it. Talk, walk. The A sound can be different after a W, like wah, wah, water, want, watch, wash, wad, what. The A sound can be different when AR are together. Bar, far, cart, market, park, star, hard, car. We're going to compare the short A with AL sounds, WA sounds, and AR sounds. Let's look at some words that have the AL sound or AR sound or WA. Call, C-A-L-L, call. Car, C-A-R, car. Watch, W-A-T-C-H, watch. Ball, B-A-L-L, ball. Walk, W-A-L-K, walk. You don't hear the L, it's silent. Walk. Talk, T-A-L-K, talk. Wall, W-A-L-L, wall. Water, W-A-T-E-R, water. Tall, T-A-L-L, tall. Wash, W-A-S-H, wash. This is a bar. She's holding a bar, B-A-R, bar. This is a star, star, S-T-A-R, star. This is a cart, C-A-R-T, cart. This is a card, C-A-R-D, card. This is a park, P-A-R-K, park. And this is a market, M-A-R-K-E-T, market, market. Let's look at the words again. Call, car, watch, ball, walk, talk, wall, water, tall, wash, bar, star, cart, card, park. market. Let's read these words with a short A sound. Remember, short A sounds like ah, as, tap, tap, map, map, sat, sat, fad, fad, ran, ran, happy, happy, tab, tab, has. Now let's read these words that have AL, WA, or AR. All, all, fall, fall, water, water, car, car, watch, watch, salt, salt, tar, tar, start, start, wash, wash, tall, tall, wall. Let's read these sentences that have these words in them. Number 1, the tall man has a car. The tall man has a car. Number 2, I water the plant. I water the plant. Number 3, watch. Watch for the car. Watch for the car. Number 4, start the wash. Start the wash. Number 5, he parks his car. He parks his car. Number 6, the test is hard. The test is hard. Number 7, I see a star. I see a star. Number 8, I can walk far. I can walk far. Number 9, I watch the ball. I watch the ball. Number 10, I will talk to the man. I will talk to the man. Here are some new sight words. Add them to your flashcards. Went, went. W-E-N-T, went. Did, D-I-D, did. Say, S-A-Y, say. Came, C-A-M-E, came. Let's find the word went in these sentences. Number 1, here's went. He went for a walk. He went for a walk. Let's find went in number 2. Here it is, went. I went to wash the car. I went to wash the car. And in number 3, here's went. We went far. We went far. Let's find the word did in these sentences. Number 1, here's did. Did you go? Did you go? And here's did. And number 2, he did not go for a walk. He did not go for a walk. And here's did. And 3, did you wash the car? Did you wash the car? Let's find the word say in these sentences. Here's say, S-A-Y. We say, do not go. We say, do not go. And here's the word say. I say, are you tall? I say, are you tall? Let's find the word came. Here's the word came. We came to walk. We came to walk. And let's find came in 2. Here's came. He came to watch. He came to watch. And in number 3, here's came. We came to the car. We came to the car. Here are the sight words that we have learned. The, is, I, am, he, has, have, not, to, go, goes, does, do, she, are, was, were, come, for, one, said, of, you, that, we. That's it for this lesson.